Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Fairfield County in central South Carolina, Newberry County in central South Carolina, northwestern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 2:19 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Newberry County Airport, or 8 miles northwest of Newberry, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: expect damage to roofs, siding, trees. Locations impacted include Newberry, Whitmire, Prosperity, Newberry County Airport, Blair, Newberry College, Little Mountain, Plumeria, Silver Street, Peak, Newberry County Detention Center, US 176 and South Carolina, 34 Crossroads, Henderson Island, Mid-Carolina High School, Belfast Wildlife Management Area, Mabington Fire Station, Bush River Fire Station, Vulnerable and Enoree Ranger District Office. This includes Interstate 26 between mile marker 62 and 87. Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fairfield County in central South Carolina, southwestern Kershaw County in central South Carolina, northeastern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Fairfield County Airport, or 9 miles southeast of Winsboro, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbia, Camden, Dentsville, Lugoff, Sesquicentennial State Park, Lake Carolina, villages at Sandhill, Elgin, Killian, Blitherwood, Ridgeway, North Town Square Shopping Center, Antioch, Boykin, Fort Jackson McCready Training Center, Pine Grove Fire Station, Smallwood and Cedar Creek Fire Station. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 78 and 105. Interstate 77 between mile markers 21 and 38.
Business on TV. TV has evolved, but its power to grow brands has only gotten stronger. TV is the core of
The National Weather Service
we spend more time with TV content in more places and on more devices than ever before. TV reaches more people than any other kind of media, and multi-screen TV advertising is the undisputed leader in creating campaigns your target audience will remember. TV viewers take action, and those actions build brands. Let's build yours. Spectrum Reach. Never stop reaching.
With all new episodes of Highway Through Hell and Heavy Rescue, Sunday nights on the Weather Channel.
Stay tuned for your alert.
Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbia, Camden, Dentsville, Sesquicentennial State Park, Lake Carolina, villages at Sandhill, Elgin, Killian, Blitherwood, Ridgeway, North Town Square Shopping Center, Antioch. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fairfield County in central South Carolina, southwestern Kershaw County in central South Carolina, northeastern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Fairfield County Airport, or 9 miles southeast of Winsboro, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbia, Camden, Dentsville, Lugoff, Sesquicentennial State Park, Lake Carolina, villages at Sandhill, Elgin, Killian, Blitherwood, Ridgeway, North Town Square Shopping Center, Antioch, Boykin, Fort Jackson.
Training Center, Pine Grove Fire Station, Smallwood and Cedar Creek Fire Station. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 78 and 105.